Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a scene using AI on CapCut PC. Like, you don't even need to record anything anymore now. But there's going to be an AI media section here, and you're going to select AI dialogue scene. It is like a paid feature. You can either make them a talk or sing or react. So you'll need to upload a character photo here, and then you'll need to enter a dialogue, or you can add your own audio. Then you are going to select the voice here, and you're going to select generate. Unfortunately, I don't have Pro right now, so I cannot show you, but this is where you can do it. As you can see, you'll need like 96 credits for the reaction feature, but for the talk or sing, you'll only need 24 credits for it. It's just that simple though, and yeah, that is pretty much it really. I cannot again show it to you because I don't have Pro right now, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.